Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, March 31, 2021, and today is the last trading day of the quarter. The market's been pretty strong so far on this last trading day of the quarter. We're trading up near the highs of the session, and I thought this afternoon I'd show you an interesting little bias that takes place in the last 15 minutes of trading on this day historically. So let me go ahead and set this up. We'll be looking at all four instruments, and the setup's going to be based upon entering the market long at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. So we're looking at a 15-minute window here at the end of regular trading hours for the futures markets specifically. Now, what we're going to be looking at is when you are in a bull market like we are in right now, above a 10, above 200-day simple moving average, and the day is the last trading day of the quarter, which I'm going to grab from right over here in the unique days section of the active today. We have a nice historical bias to the upside. So let's take a look at it here by clicking View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon going long at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close, 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when it is the last trading day of the quarter and you are in a bullish market environment. Now, historically, we've got 35 samples in the S&P, 32 in the NASDAQ, 33 in the Dow, and 34 in the Russell. And if we look at the win rates on them, they're all quite strong. So the S&P coming in at 74% of these have closed above that 4 p.m. price. For the NASDAQ, it is 81%, the Dow 73%, and the Russell 68%. So all four of them have strong win rates taking place in this last 15 minutes of trading. And if we look at the average win, the average loss, this is a very small time period, so not a lot of time here for them to get too out of whack, but average loss is a touch bigger than the average win for the S&P. The average loss is larger than the average win in the NASDAQ. It is also larger average loss in the Dow compared to its average win, whereas the Russell is the only one where the average win is a little bit larger than the average loss. But historically, the instruments have closed above that 4 p.m. price more often than not. And keep in mind, if you are trying to trade around that area, it does get very volatile. So it may be more volatile than you are expecting right there at 4 o'clock as you get the market on close orders and rebalancing happening there right at the close. So keep that in mind if you are trying to trade around this idea. Good luck the rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow.